Hey guys, it's Carly here for Ellen Hudson, and today I'm excited to share with you some of the tips and tricks I found as I started working on some DIY felt ornaments with Essentials by Ellen. I'm starting with the Essentials by Ellen So Cute Snowman. I've die cut the body of the snowman twice out of white felt, and I've die cut the scarf once out of light green. And that leads me to my first tip, and this is going to seem really silly, but you want to do all your decorating on your front snowman before you put your front and your back snowman together. I know you're all thinking, duh, Carly, obviously. But I might have had to start over, just saying. But now that I've got that sorted, I'm just attaching that scarf with a simple stitch that is functional, but also gives it a neat little detail. When I get to the end of the scarf, I'm going to add a little fringe. Hopefully that's what it looks like. So I'm doing that by just making some simple stitches onto the snowman's body from the bottom of that scarf. So what do you guys think? It mostly looks like fringe, right? You get the idea of what I was going for. So next we've got the nose and the eyes in that die set. Now you could absolutely die cut them from colored felt and stitch them on, but I kind of wanted an easier way. So I've got a little scrap of white felt and I've got a piece of double-sided adhesive, and I'm going to put the double-sided adhesive on the piece of felt, run it through my die cut machine with those two dies. After I die cut it, I've basically made felt stickers. So then I have a little felt sticker of the nose and the two felt sticker eyes. So I removed the extra felt from that liner paper, leaving me just my little nose sticker and my little eye stickers, and then I'm using Copic markers to color them. Now it would totally work to go get orange and black felt too and make those into little stickers, but it's nice because I had white felt out, so it made it super easy, and then in case if I ever didn't have a color I was looking for, I can use a Copic marker to make it. The Copic marker trick works on embroidery floss too. So if you ever don't have a color of floss you need, you can take your marker, run it along that floss until you get it to be saturated, let it dry for a minute, and then you're set to go with whatever color you need. Then it's super easy to just grab some tweezers, grab those stickers, and apply them to my snowman. After that, I'm giving him a little stitched mouth, and once he's got a smile, I have another trick for you. Did you know that colored pencil works on felt? So I'm not great with Copic markers to make cheeks. I usually do them too strong. I find them a little better with colored pencil on my cards, and turns out I can use colored pencil to make cheeks on my felt stuff too. So I added a few little abstract snowflakes to his body, and then I put them together. And unfortunately, it looks like my camera wasn't on when I did that. I'm so sorry, you guys. But I did want to say that the Essentials by Ellen So Cute stuff, because the holes are pre-punched, it's a great time to practice a new stitch. And I will link in the description to the embroidery quick reference. It's really helpful if you're wanting to learn something new. So that's how I put them together. I put them together with a little blanket stitch. And then after he was put together, I realized I really wanted those cute little arms. So I die cut them 3 times, 2 felt and 1 cardstock for each side. And I layered them together with the cardstock sandwiched in between the 2 felts to give it a little bit of weight. So they were kind of sturdier arms. Then I put a little bit of adhesive inside the snowman and tucked the arm in. I know that seems kind of crazy. It would have been better to stitch those little arms in, but actually it held up pretty well. And I like that snowman so much that I already made another one. So I'm excited to see what other ornaments I can come up with before Christmas. I have managed to sneak in a few during my baby's nap time. I'm sharing those over on the Ellen Hudson blog. There'll be a link in the description. If you have any tips for me, I'd love to hear them. Leave those in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you were inspired to craft today, and I hope to see you again here soon.